Demand of double glaze modules is growing up. Which advantages these modules have, you learn now. Dear visitors, welcome to the booth of Sonnenstromfabrik. On my side, I welcome Mr. Bernhard Weilharter. He is CEO of the Sonnenstromfabrik. Mr. Weilharter, you had a wide range of portfolio with solar modules. What you have for the installers and craftsmen and for your customers?
Thanks for the invitation. Good. Yes, let's get started. Sonnenstromfabrik. We started in 2016 as a premium manufacturer of PV modules. Our flagship product is double glass modules. You see basically here our current product series, Excellent Glass. What is different in the product? Different to other classical modules, you have a glass on the front and on the rear. Yeah. The benefit for the module is you have a better protection of the cell from micro cracks, which means less degradation. And the second advantage is because of the backside as a glass, you don't have a degradation on the glass in terms of humidity or air coming inside. So the product has a higher longevity and also a higher guaranteed yield. So we guarantee in a 30 years warranty around about 25% more compared to a classical glass foil module. This is also a topic from our approach of sustainability because we are building modules that should last as long as possible and produce as long as possible in a high qualitative way so that customers benefit and the module is paying off ecologically. Yeah? What you see here is the current generation. What's here is the future. So this one is basically a full square module based on a G1 cell. We are now shifting to an M10 cell in a half-cut design. The new product successor will be called Diamond. Yeah? Longevity. So and diamonds are forever, as you know. So this is basically a 400 watt module. Dimension is 1.75 meters times 115. 400 watt peak as in a full black edition. So basically you don't see the interconnectors, which is also an optical topic. We have a second version, which is a small version. Similar width, 1.115 meters, but the length is only 1.55 meters. So basically it gives customer flexibility to combine on the roof different dimensions and formats to max out the roofing. Yeah? On-roof systems. Now we come to the next solution.
The building integrated solution.
Yes, we were one of the first ones to start with double glass modules as an integrated module. Why we go for double glass? Also here it's longevity. A roof you don't build for 20 years, you build it for 30 years or 40 years. Basically it works with our longevity approach quite well. Again, here you have three different dimensions. You have a 60 cell product, which is a 325 module. Voila. The next smaller one is a 290 watt module based on a 54 cell G1 size. And then we have a small version which is a 48 cell and 260 watts. And what is special on these products is you can combine them flexibly on the roof. So you can connect linear all three dimensions. So you really can max out the roofing and the efficiency on the roof. And I said it's quite an old system. It's a Switzerland company and Schweizer Metallbau. They have done this system for many, many years. Made all the lessons learned, so it's a system that's proof and watertight. This is important for us not to have, let's say, trial and error exercises here. We want to have a stable, long-term standing company where we know, okay, we know the quality, we know their behavior in terms of approach. This is integration.
And if you combine the three module sizes, you have to take care for the cabling, or can you? No.
No, you can put them linear, so you combine them. It's similar technology inside, so basically the only difference is different dimension and different number of cells, but since it's the same cell technology, you can combine. So from that side, you're safe, and it's easy to install. Good. So this is another family of glass. You see a little bit of a difference here in terms of the structure of the glass. Here it's a little bit glossy, yeah? Whereas the other one was satinated. It's a German vendor, what we are using here with a floated glass in order to give more light transmission. The product here has the approach that more light should come through. We have different cell arrangements here. We can vary between 51% of light transmission, which you see in the middle, to 19% light transmission, which you see on the right, and to 27%, which you see on the left. So based on the number of cells you put inside, we have different shadings. Yeah? And we use that product for winter gardens, for pergolas, for carports, for agriculture. So for agri-photovoltaics, we just do we delivered a project to the Fraunhofer Institute where they just make now reviews on what grass or what crops are growing underneath. Yeah? And for these products, we're also in the middle of certificating them for overhead glazing. So we did a lot of these products for private applications, but now we see them also in large-scale carports. So we need the product certified for overhead glazing.
Okay.
Will be finished by end of the year.
Yeah.
But it's work in progress. Mechanical test is all completed, successfully completed. Now it's just paperwork left.
Okay. So you have also these standards.
Yes. Yes, we also do have glass foil modules. As you can see here, this is our new generation, also 400 watt product, half cut design, also available starting Q4. This product we will also have in a small dimension with 1.55 m in a 350 watt edition, in a long version 2.10 m and 490 watt for ground mounts. And what's special on this product, we also do have it as a full black, and we do have it as a low carbon edition. So basically we reduce the carbon footprint to the minimum. In some countries we have basically special obligations to make low carbon products, and our way of producing in Germany with our supply chain brings down the carbon footprint quite a bit. So this is one of the USPs of our glass foil products that makes them different.
Thank you, Mr. Weilharter, for these very interesting informations. You have a wide portfolio of modules for every installation, for every kind of solar array. And if you want to know more about Sonnenstromfabrik, please contact the company via the website.